What if your kitchen scale could tell you more than just how much your food weighs? This one can help you track calories, protein, carbs, fats, and even recognize food with AI. Place your food on the stainless steel platform, and you can measure everything from grams and kilograms to ounces, pounds, milliliters, and more. But here's where it gets interesting. The NutriScale app can track up to 20 nutrients, including calories, protein, carbohydrates, fats, fiber, sugar, sodium, and more. And with AI-powered food recognition, you can use your phone to analyze food and make tracking your meals easier. The app can even show your progress with daily, weekly, and monthly charts. It measures from just 1 gram all the way up to 15 kilograms, making it useful for baking, cooking, meal prep, and portion tracking. Plus, it has a rechargeable USB-C battery. If you're serious about knowing what's actually going into your meals, this is a smart upgrade for your kitchen. Check the product link for the current price and details, and turn on the bell for more smart finds.